This is video 10 for week 3. So I'm on slide 40 and I've jumped over to the actual assignment, the research report presentation assignment. And the second thing to do, we just went over, was conduct a literature search to learn more about your topic. And then number 3, you're going to prepare an annotated bibliography with 4 or more information sources that you found that you're going to include in your report. So when you scroll down the page, I want you to use this template, okay? You're going to copy and paste the question that you selected in step 1 right here, so I know what your topic is, what you're trying to find resources for. And then you're going to insert an APA formatted citation for your first source. Okay, so again, if you used, for example, the library databases to find resources, there will be an option for you to export or save or copy and paste an APA formatted citation. So put it in. And then you're going to tell me how I decided this source passes the CRAP test. So you might say the article is accurate. Now tell me why. I found similar information in a book. I found similar information, I don't know. I found this information in several articles, whatever. So that might be one way that you could decide that the information was accurate and explain why you chose to use it in your research paper. You might also decide that it's authoritative, and it could be and again, use the CRAP test tutorial to learn how to test these things, how to check, how to verify them. Don't just tell me, I use this one because it's authoritative. Well, how do you know it was authoritative? Tell me. So that's what I want you to do, is give me 4 of the sources at least that you plan to use in your research report. And it's not just describing. I don't really want you to describe everything about the source. I want you to tell me why you think it's a useful resource. And then you can type in what I learned from this source. And again, just 1 sentence, maybe 2 sentences about what's in this source that you can use in your research paper. So you'll do that for up to 4 sources, okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to write a report. Step 4, write a 2-page report. Use the instructions below, cite the authors in text and on a references page. Well, I know you just did a bibliography, an annotated bibliography, so I expect you to copy these references and put them on the references page, right, of your report. But don't forget that APA requires you to cite things in text, right, when you use the piece of information, as well as at the end of the paper. So that's why I'm asking you to cite things in text. You don't have to use these exact headings, they're just suggestions. So again, when you cite something, use an idea, put the author's names, the year, because that's APA, and then cite it. Introduce the author and the year and cite the idea. Okay? So cite. That's my main takeaway here. All right, so you got your research report. The final thing you're going to do is a presentation and handout. There's additional instructions on that assignment. And you're not going to hand in the presentation to me. I'm going to just watch the presentation and evaluate it. But I would like to see a handout for your board members. And you can just make something like use a free app like Vengage to make a little infographic about your topic, your choice. So I hope that helps you with the assignment.